Hello everyone, this is Dennis. Today I'm going to show you the project that I've been working on for some time already. It's called DTWorldz Accelerator because its goal is to give you the basic features that all the action RPG has mostly. So basically in the first is it has equipment and item system with integrated animations. It also includes a sprite library creator to help you to configure the sprite libraries automatically from a given spreadsheet. So the aRPG file for the spreadsheet template is also included within the project. So let's stop talking and let me show you a little bit what we have in table. So as you see, if you already read the documentation in here, I mean the guideline, the simple one, the button above opens the character panel and closes it at the same time. You can move it right click, mouse over the highlight to interactable items in the world. So this is empty scene right now, but this is just to have give you the inventory and items system. So in the world I just put some items in the world, so you can highlight over them to see what they are. The double click picks up the item into inventory. Actually it requires to be also being closer to the item. So if you get closer and double click on it, it picks up the item to the inventory. If you are not close enough, double click doesn't do anything, but in the debug logs, check please here. When I double click, it says too far to pick up item. So it requires to get closer to the item. And it's already advised to, as I showed you just a couple of seconds ago, check the debug info logs to see what's going on and where. So you can implement and extend the functionality easier. So in our current setup, this character has the strength, the dexterity, intelligence, and the armor. So each equipment can give you a bonus armor value or intelligence or strength or dexterity, whatever. You can add and decide additional bonus stats if you like. But for now, I just implemented equipment system, and each equipment gives you armor bonus. So as you see on the left panel, you can select the items, unselect them as well, of course. So once you select the item, it gives you the actionable items related to that item actually. So once you click equipped item already, you can see the unequip action button here. Once you unequip the item, selected stays at the same slot, and you can just equip or drop the item again. So equip, unequip, or you can drop. So drop right now it only creates the item in the wherever your character are, but it can be extended of course. So once you unequip the item, please check your armor value. It decreases the armor because this has 2 values as armor in the long pants, and this has long short has 3 armor value. For example, when I equip this one, it goes to 1, the character armor goes to 1, and if I unequip the last armor, which is shoes in this case, it goes to 0 armor. So as you see, when I equip the items, the world character also updated. Animations are fully synchronous, aligns with the character. Let me equip them again. So the inventory, also the stack and the white system. Once you try to drag and drop an item which has a more than one quantity, it gives you the stack or divide panel. So you can decide whether all of the items to transfer to the next slot, as I do right now. You can also decide, for example in this case 4 of them. So it gives you the data to maximum you can transfer to the minimum one, but you can cancel as well. So if you want to, for example, let's 2 of health potion to the next slot, you can do that as well. You can just drag and drop however you wish, everything. So the little squares that you see in the slot frames tells you that this item already equipped. Maybe it can be changed with the better design, but it is just show you how easily that you can check you can set the graphical interface is already ready in here. So it also in here, this button can show you the sort functionality. So the sorting starts with the weapons, also with the equipment items, equipped items, sorry. The equipped items has the most priority in the sorting. Also the weapons has more priority than the equipped items. So it starts with equipped weapons, then equipments, actually equipped equipments. It's hard to say, I'm sorry, but you get the idea, I believe. So if I just, for example, you loot lots of items and your equipment items went to right here, you can just sort and you can get your equipped items here, because the equipment system should be easy to be accessible. That's why I implemented it sort here. So in this case we have close button as well, just simple. So this is what I have in table. I'll show you the extended details of this implementation in technical wise, because those items as all the sprite sheets all using sprite libraries, so you can switch and switch the graphics of the items, or you can add new items easily, but it will be the next video. Please stay in touch, let me know if you liked it or not. So the last thing I want to say is that this package is available in Unity Asset Store. If you like it, please rate it there so it can help me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.